Okay, so if you are a newbie to machine reading and you're finding double wefting difficult for you to do, now this is a little tutorial on how to double weft. Now, I'm making use of my zigzag stitches. The machine, I'm using this butterfly tabletop machine, and it has different stitches, the straight stitches and all that. Now you don't double weft with straight stitches, you use zigzag, and there are so many zigzags in this butterfly tabletop. Now I prefer this particular zigzag. There's this one, but I think they are too tiny for me to use. And there's also this one, and there's also this one, but I prefer this wider one. So this is what I'm making use of. Okay, now so over to the stitching. I've started. You can see I use this other hand. This finger is holding this part down, whereas this one is holding this part. Then my other fingers, they are holding the back. So I go. See? Now I tap it one step at a time because I don't want to miss any part. I don't want any part to slip under. So, just gentle tapping as you're sewing. You're taking out all these hair strands blocking your way. As you're sewing, you're taking away the hair strands blocking your way. Then I sew, because it's necessary you give it that push you get so that it doesn't clamp together. Now when you're sewing, do well to take out this excess hair blocking the way. Take out the excess hair blocking the way, because stuffs like this can enter and block your machine and seize it from sewing. Okay, so we move again. So this is how I sew until I'm done. Now if you're sewing, it's very important that you check the back to be sure that the back has not slipped out, because you can be sewing and you feel you're sewing something, whereas this one under has gone inside, and at the end of the day you're only sewing the upper parts. So when you're sewing, just be sure, always turn the under and check that this other weft is also sewing together with the upper one. So now when you're getting to the ending part, this is the ending part of it. Now you just hold that ending part very well and still hold this other part here. Now also also then when I get to this, I like double stitching my own. So I'm done double stitching and I'll just take it out. I hope you learned something from this video. Do follow, like and share the video. Thank you.